Hello, my beautiful friends. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new products from Olaplex, number 0. This is its limited time packaging, and before I actually show you what's inside, I want to point out that there is a salon locator that you can find right inside this flap as soon as you open the box. This will show you where you can pick the product up if you are not a stylist. For a limited time, when you purchase the number 0, you will also get a sample size of the number 3, which is hands down the best treatment for your hair in the entire world. And here's what your number 0 is going to look like. Now we're going to dive into exactly what number 0 does, but if you pick this up for yourself, there is instructions on the back. I did want to show you guys my hair before and let you get a feel for why I need a treatment so bad. I've been at the beach, I've been in the pool for an entire week, my color is fading, my ends are very sad and angry, so I felt like now was the perfect time to try the number 0 along with the number 3. So one of my absolute favorite things about the Olaplex line all together is just how easy these products are to use. So today I'm starting with the number 0, which is going to prep your hair for the number 3 treatment. The number 0 has come into play to act as a booster for your number 3 hair perfector treatment. It's going to improve the number 3 by 68% and makes your hair 3 times stronger than using the number 3 alone. To use the number 0, all you need to do is apply it from roots to ends, making sure that your hair is totally saturated, but not so wet that it's going to be actually dripping off of your hair. Once you've fully applied the product, go ahead and brush it through to ensure even saturation, and then let it process for 10 minutes. After your number 0 is processed for 10 minutes, go ahead and apply your number 3 directly over top of your number 0. Doing the same thing, working it in and making sure that you have good even saturation, then continue to process for 10 minutes. After your treatment has completely processed, continue on down the number line by using number 4 and 5 from Olaplex, which is their shampoo and conditioner. I've completely shampooed my hair, and before blow drying, I'm going to use number 6 and 7 from Olaplex. These are my all-time favorite stylers before I blow out my hair, and I frequently cocktail them together to get the best results. So number 6 is a smoother, and I frequently tell my clients that it's almost like a lotion for your hair. So it's going to not only repair those broken bonds in your hair, but act as a frizz control and just give you the most velvety, luscious locks in the entire galaxy. And number 7 is going to be an oil, which is going to give you high shine, but also heat protection and UV protection. So let's go ahead and blow it out and see how my hair is looking post-treatment. So here's our fresh blowout look, and let me tell you guys, my hair never looks like this just from a blowout. I can only typically get this look when I've blown out my hair and then flat ironed over it. I rarely get this much frizz control and smoothness just from a blow dryer. I'm like super in shock. So this isn't how I typically wear my hair. I normally curl it, but I did want to show you guys how it looks just blown out. But let's go ahead and wave through it and check out how my hair would look styled how I typically wear it. This is my new favorite iron for curling because it gives me the most perfect mermaidy wavy hair, and I can actually wear these curls for days after I initially do them. If you guys are in need of a curling iron that's just perfect, check out the description box below and I will link it down there for you. Y'all, so I am like in total shock of how heckin' good my hair looks right now. This is how I typically style my hair. I do kind of that loose textured, tousled, wavy, beachy vibe, whatever this is, but holy Lord, it never looks this smooth or controlled on frizz, and I'm just shook. I don't even have words for it. So if you guys are in need of something to completely revamp your hair, definitely check out the new No. 0 from Olaplex coupled with the No. 3 treatment because it is game changing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!